Ladies and gentlemen, the first contestant, come back. Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the ring at this time, from the city of gold, Ringgold, Georgia, and weighing in at 238 pounds, the Nature Boy, Paul Lee.
Born here at my broadcast position is wrestling legend, the Taskmaster Kevin Sullivan.
I'm really looking forward to this match. The Nature Boy, not the original. And we're sending out our regards to Nate. We're all pulling for you, Nate. But Paul Lee is a great imitation, but he is an imitation.
The Nature Boy Paul Lee now, endorsed by one of the guys that you've been in the ring with hundreds of times, Kevin, the Nature Boy Ric Flair.
Ric Flair is everybody's champion. To me, he'll always be the world heavyweight champion. And Rick wrestled them all, from Giant Baba to John Cena to Shawn Michaels, and he always came out on top.
Well, tonight the Nature Boy Paul Lee is going to take an up-and-comer, one of George South's trainees, Leo Pryde.
And I'm looking forward to this because any of the trainees from George South learn from the best.
Fresh out of Charlotte, here comes Leo Pryde.
And his opponent, from Hendersonville, North Carolina, weighing in at 200 pounds, the true believer, Leo Pryde.
Let me make it clear. Everybody knows that the Carolinas is woo country. Seems like the man has escaped death once again, but the Nature Boy Paul Lee is here to woo you. So whether you like it or not, you can woo me, just don't boo me.
It's a mixture of woos and boos here.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee for this match, Ref Rich.
Second Leo. Taking off his, right now taking off his shirt there. Sleeveless right there. Nature Boy Paul Lee is strutting.
Hey, it's the Battle of the Blondes. This is going to be an extreme test for Leo Pryde. Paul Lee's been around a long time with a lot of victories.
That's right. Paul Lee is definitely no slouch in the ring and has been on quite a interesting, time here in Universal Championship Wrestling. But once that bell rings, he is a fighter. And ladies and gentlemen, this is Vinny the Booch Bucci here alongside the Taskmaster Kevin Sullivan. This amazing contest as Paul Lee chops Leo Pryde and a rake to the and a stomp to the face there. As Nature Boy Paul Lee proving why he is the dirtiest player in UCW with another clothesline.
He's taking it to the kid, and I'm not sure if this kid can take this kind of pounding and come back. It's going to be interesting.
Absolutely. Leo Pryde has had his fair share of matches here in Universal Championship Wrestling as well. He went to the limit against Antonio Garza in Athens and had quite a showing at Spring Stampede, and now here he is in the fight of his life here at the Croc Center against the Nature Boy Paul Lee, who was raking the back, and Leo Pryde's going to have to show a lot of heart and keep some of his pride at the door in order to get the W. Oh, that chop takes him down.
And he needs to get into gear. He needs to get some offense going, or I'm afraid it's going to be a short night for Leo Pryde. Oh.
Another vicious chop as Leo Pryde is now sliding over to the other turnbuckle. Nature Boy Paul Lee now sizing him up, and another chop. As he is now trying to catch his breath, goes to the other turnbuckle now. Paul Lee just trying to touch all four corners here. Ah, another chop.
I can't see how much longer Leo Pryde can take this whipping. Oh!
That's another vicious chop. Paul Lee here trying to make an example out of Leo Pryde. As a Irish whip reversal, up, over. There he is, and another clothesline sends him down. He's now hanging on the middle rope.
Come on, Leo, you gotta get it in. There you go. Fire up. Don't fall for him playing possum.
And here he goes. A suplex back into the ring in the cover. 1, 2.
Great suplex.
Oh, amazing.
It was close, very close. Leo's surprised me because I thought his night was over a minute and a half ago.
It looked like it, but clearly still some fight left in the Nature Boy as Leo Pryde is going up to the top rope. And he's going this way. Oh, nobody home as Leo Pryde hits the mat. Leo, I think that was Paul Lee playing possum there. Another vicious uppercut.
This is the perfect example of veteran tricking a young man into a big mistake. All of a sudden the tide has turned, and I think Leo Pryde didn't realize that Paul Lee had a lot left into him.
He wasn't sure, but now it looks like Paul Lee is now going for, looks like a surfboard or some kind of weird submission here. Like, that's not a submission. He's banging his head to the bottom turnbuckle, swinging his head there.
You see something new every day. I haven't seen that in years.
Yeah. It's definitely a first for me, Kevin. I've never seen that move before, but part of me wants to see it again. Here we go. Nature Boy Paul Lee now going for a bounce. Nails it. Leo Pryde bouncing off the mat there. And now it looks like Paul Lee is posing there. 1, 2. Leo kicks out. A little bit of arrogance there on the side of Nature Boy Paul Lee. I think that could come back to haunt him. Nature Boy adjusting his hair, trying to pulling Leo Pryde off the mat. Those were punts. Leo blocks it. Paul Lee pops again. Another shot by Leo. And another shot. Both men are dead. And down goes the Nature Boy. Leo Pryde now trying to regain some composure. Paul Lee now getting up on the ropes. Wait a minute, referee's checking on Nature Boy. Oh, and a low blow! Another dirty tactic by Paul Lee.
Well, is it a dirty tactic or is it a veteran tactic? That's what I got to say.
Maybe a combination of both. As it looks
He's going
like
for the figure 4.
He's about to lock
This may be it. He's got it in. It's going to take guts and fortitude. As Gordon Soley used to say, intestinal fortitude.
Oh, and Paul Lee now using the ropes for leverage. The referee can't see it. And he tapped out. He tapped out. difference there, but still getting the win over Leo Pryde.
It doesn't matter. Victory is his, and it goes down on the record book. It doesn't say he held the ropes.
Very true. I mean, I understand a win is a win, but at the same time, there's a party that wishes you could see a little bit of sportsmanship in that ring, so it's hard to argue, but it looks like Ali has something to say.
Hey, Jim Ross. Hey, Jim. Hey, hold on. Yeah. Hey, Jim Ross. You lost some hair. I don't know. A little bit different. But did you see what the Nature Boy did? I took out the strap and I pinned him. I beat him. He submitted. Just like I did Wahoo that Daniel. Everybody else. Everybody. Lose the next one. Where's that ref guy? Nick Patrick, where are you? Anyway, it don't matter. I'm here in Charlotte, my town. Yeah. Hey. You disrespect Charlotte, North Carolina? Here we are. You're crazy. Hey, anyway, Jim Ross. Go tell Tony Schiavone, look at what I did. You see? You hear me? I'm the greatest wrestler in any time. I'm the next one. Woo! And tonight is all about Space Mountain. Woo!
There you go, Kevin Sullivan.
Ladies, I'm in room 220 at the Marriott. Woo!
Nature Boy Paul Lee.
Hey, like
Paul
that.
Lee is a veteran. I thought the kid did a great job. And one of the things that he came, he learned a lot tonight. And I don't think he'll make some rookie mistakes like diving off the top rope and missing and not having his opponent in a worse position.
Well, do you think the Nature Boy hit his head a little hard tonight?
I think the Nature Boy has hit his head hard for quite a while.
Probably going to go have another cocktail.